In this demo, we'll be working with some fictional viticulture customers in Tasmania. Let's start with a single property. The owner is thinking about replanting their vineyard with Pinot. But is that a suitable and profitable use for this land? How is that likely to change in the coming years and decades? What risks may affect their business? Many vineyards in Tasmania are currently in the optimal zone for growing Pinot Noir. However, as the climate warms, this is no longer going to be true. An investment that made sense historically may be a poor investment now. In this case, we can see that growing season temperature is increasing. By the time a Pinot crop planted today reaches maturity, conditions will be less suitable. Armed with this information, an agribusiness banker could make better lending decisions and also add more value to their relationship with each customer. Extreme weather events are increasing in frequency and magnitude. How might that affect this business? Let's add another data set for a view on bushfire risk. Today, forest fire danger in spring is at the lowest risk level, colored in green. You can see how the risk to this property is changing from the 1960s to now and into the future. At this specific property, the increase in bushfire risk is relatively small, making this a better long-term investment. But that's just for this one specific property. At the portfolio level, how do we ensure our exposure to climate-related risks is diversified? Eratos allows you to integrate your private data on multiple assets across a portfolio. Let's add an example portfolio now. Now we can see the distribution of bushfire risk across a portfolio. Today, bushfire risk is relatively low. However, you can see that over time, many of the assets transition toward high or even extreme risk. With this information, business rules around lending decisions can be set with the impact on aggregate bushfire risk in mind. Assets are not all equal. This chart shows the distribution of properties by loan value. This is a simple example of how the private data on your assets can be combined with climate data for more useful analysis and insights. Being able to explore and visualize data is only a small part of Eratos. Once you have generated a new insight, you can route it to multiple destinations within your business. What you've seen here is just an illustration of what is possible with Eratos. Our modular design enables you to combine multiple source, transformation, and destination modules to quickly assemble solutions to each specific business problem.